I gotta try to almost on
Three tricks is as much as I can do.
Oh, that almost hit me. And almost hit me.
Earlier he landed a perfect varial off this ledge thing.
One more try for varial.
Oh, at least you landed every. All right, try boneless 180. And before y'all start commenting on that video, Spence's versus aerial, we know it was a half cab, so you don't have to go and
Sort of half cab.
like you don't have to go tell us that.
Alright, what do I do again?
Boneless 180.
Yeah.
It's our little skate backyard spot. If we don't have enough time to go anywhere else, we just stay here. Yeah. And look, you landed it. My turn? Oh, underflips are hard, guys. Almost. Enjoy. Dude, you land like the first 5 tricks, like you land a 360 shove it.
The power's wearing off now, so into your turn.
Alright, I'll do all 3 of my tricks. I haven't skated today, so I might need to warm up on my...
We will upload some more video of JDN and our new member, TK. Nice ollie.
Yeah, I haven't ollied all day today, so that was just my warm-up one. It was kind of sad.